Okay, so what we're going to do is replace these stock mirrors with these much cooler bar end mirrors. They're Royal Enfield mirrors that just attach to the end of your handlebars like that. Now there's only 3 tools we'll need. One is this number 5 Allen wrench, a pair of vice grips or pliers, I prefer the vice grips, and a little piece of cardboard. So let's get started. Now obviously the first thing we need to do is remove the stock mirror. If you lift up this little rubber gasket, you'll see there's a nut under there. You may need a wrench to hold the nut and turn, or most of the time all you need to do is just turn it in a direction like this and unscrew it as easy as that. Now once you do take the mirror out, you do have an empty hole right there. And so what you can do is you can get these plug caps like this. And you simply just take it and screw it in, and it just gives you a little cap to cover it up. And they also do provide, at least the ones that I ordered, a little cloth that you could take and stick in there, so when you tighten it down, you don't scratch the paint on the plug. Next, we do want to take off these end caps. And an issue a lot of people have is you have your number 5 Allen wrench, put it in there, and then as it starts turning, rather than releasing the nut, it just turns the whole cap and the bar that it's connected to inside the handlebars, and so it doesn't come off. So all you need to do is take your vice grips, and I recommend a piece of cardboard, and that just helps you to prevent you from doing too much damage to the cap. Click it on, and then once you have a grip, just give it a tug, and once you feel it release, then you can just unscrew the bolt. Like that. Now next we do have this little spacer, and depending on the bar mirrors you got, you most likely need to take this off. So now all we need to do is slip on the bar end mirror. On this one, it does have a little ring inside that I already inserted to tighten it on, but just simply slide it on, and then we'll just want to tighten it down in the position where we want it. Now when we tighten it down, we want to make sure we keep it towards the end of the bar and not pressed up against the throttle. You don't want it tight against the throttle where it might cause the throttle to stick. So make sure you put it at the end, and then you can start tightening it down. Next, we just have to put the end cap back on. And give it a tighten. And if it's spinning too much, you can just use your vice grips again just to hold it and tighten it down a little bit. And that's it. Pretty quick and easy.